I'm going to quickly show you how to put images into shapes in Photoshop. First, right-click the Shape tool and select what shape you want to insert. For the first example, I'm going to pick the Rectangle tool. Hold Shift and drag if you want to draw a square. In this Properties tab, you can change attributes of the shape you just drew. For example, I'm going to type 100 pixels to add some roundness to the edges. Now drag in the image you want in the shape. Resize it over the shape. Now make sure the image layer is above the shape layer. Then right-click on the image and click on Create Clipping Mask. While the image is selected, press Ctrl+T to adjust its position. Now hold Ctrl and click on both the shape and the image. Then click on this folder icon to add them to a folder. Now you can click on the folder and press Ctrl+T to move the whole thing around. You can also do the same thing with custom shape images you made or downloaded. Once all the elements are in a folder, you can add effects to the image by going into blending options.